Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friend, my name is Hai, I'm from PLB. You can call me Han, and this channel I want to tell you about how to create database and how to create a table and what to query in the MySQL. So I want to tell you about this. So before we start to create table or database in the table plus, we can install MySQL in the in Google Chrome or Opera or your browser. So first you open the Chrome, and the second is you must search download MySQL for Mac. If your laptop is Mac, you can search with your Mac, or this you can don't search with your support device. You can use laptop is Windows, you can search the Windows, and if your laptop MacBook, you can search MacBook, and if your computer is Linux, you can search Linux. Okay, so this is mysql.com, and here this. Okay guys, and this you can that this is Linux, Microsoft, Ubuntu Linux, and the Fedora Linux, and other person that's like that. So you can search how to install MySQL in the YouTube or the internet. So in these videos I just tell you about how to create database and create table in the table plus. So here we go, and I will close this. This is just okay. So this okay. So after you install MySQL in your laptop, you can run MySQL with terminal, and you write like this: npm no MySQL means you root space. What is meaning is MySQL means you, root means space. Yeah, MySQL it's how to your access into your MySQL. Okay, so there is MySQL. That's we used to query that MySQL, and this U is user, and root user root, and P is player like that. So I forget them because I very tired to study, but I will try about myself. Okay, so like this, you root user root player. Okay, so it's display. Okay, it's display, and I will do enter. This is password is default, and you just click the right or this in the keyboard, you can use enter. So like that. So it's welcome to monitor SQL comment and with this. Then okay, so you write the comments with comment and with it is okay. Wait a minute. Like this, use slash or the dot two. Okay, so you are to show how to show database. Just show database. Okay, I have many database. This is like data, information, Laravel, MySQL, node formations, and you have information schema, formation schema. This is and MySQL. This is your default after you install MySQL in your laptop. So how to create them? Okay, create database this, and you can write your name database is like food. Oh, I forget how. Okay, remember if you end the comments, you can choose dot or slash. You can use dot. Okay, it's a work. Okay, and we now show database again. We check is check after that after we create database it was work or not. Okay, so like this. Okay, this is food in there. Okay, we create database food here and in database food. Okay, so like that. And now how to create table. Okay, before you create the table you can you must to in the database like that. Okay, if you build a home you must to in home to for furniture or like that, and you can with the foundation in the home. Okay, so like that. Okay, so how to in database? So you can cd no use database use database use no use database you want to use. Okay, I want to use food like this. Okay, database change. Okay, and you after that it is work to, and now you in the database. So how to create table. Okay, so so I want to tell you how to create table. Can show the tables in here. Oh no, sorry. You can write like this. So you can write this. So show tables. This is empty because I don't create tables in here. So we can create tables. Write create tables. No use as because it's just one person. Okay, because this is one person. Okay, you create table and put your name table. Yes, so don't forget it. But I want to rename again food Japan. Okay, like this. The table must have a list column. Okay, wait a minute. So okay, create table name this one. Sorry about that. Wait a minute. Sorry about that. I forget them. I remember you must create that table in your table. So we can into the database. So we close the not close, but we hide the Windows terminal, because we need that. So we hide them and we create a new connection. Okay, you can click that and you click MySQL and create that. So what is it's the same name you create database. Okay, so we name is food. Okay, we contest. Okay, it's green like that, so you can connect that. No. You like that. Okay, so like this, and you connect it. So you want to connect them in the terminal, like this one. You can create click that. It's just tab is database in here. So open database, just put connect them. So it's just queries came in it. If you look, there's I have a project database in here, so you just don't look that. Okay, because we need to focus in this. You can new folders, put okay, put this, and you create new file. You can name Japan. No, Japan. Sorry about that. Okay, like this one. Okay, Japan. Okay, like this. You want to create table. Okay, you want to create table. You can write create table, and what the name? Japan. Okay, so you use this one to create what the query one you need, or what you want to create table. So this first ID is a number. You can write number, but in my project it says ID. After that is what is the text or number. Wait a minute, we can look this in this. Okay, create table integer or string. It's just it's a string. You can use varchar, and integer this is not integer. Okay, so forget them. Sorry, this is integer. Integer, and this is you want this null. You can write in what your need to create not null, because in database you can empty the column if you want to create new data in your table, because this null not important like that, but it is integer, it is number. So I want to not know, because if your integer ID of your number is null, you must create again. Uh, you must you must create a number in there, so like that. I did not know. And this is name. This name is varchar. Varchar is like a meaning string, but this is for character you want. This is your can limit that. I want this 100, and this is not no. So like that. And after that is you can write the type or this class. I want to use class varchar and start 100k, not no. Name class okay. Name class as category. Okay, not and price varchar this is I use price to varchar because I want a that, but you want to integer, why not? After you. Okay, so I will say varchar then 100, not more. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, so you want after that is query in the create that table. You want we need to engine to start them. Okay, this is engine the okay, like that. So you can like that and create table, and you can create them with the red rune with comment plus enter. Okay, so like that. Okay, query of one. Okay, this is low detected, and we can refresh with comment error and like that. Okay, this is your table after you create a table in a database in the terminal, and after that you can create table in table plus like this. So you want to create a data in database. So okay, so you can write other tables. The table is Japan's. Okay, so what you want is just drop to delete and modify to and add column to add column in the table like that. And but I want to add the database. This is sushi. This is varchar 100, and this sorry, not this, but you can insert into Japan like this. we can look them in my project. Sorry, I forget them. Like this, insert into create data, just like that, into item, this name, category, price. Okay, so we can put them name, class. What the? Okay, wait a minute. I want to modify again outer table. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Class. Class name. Okay, wait a minute. I want to search. Wait a minute. With the add column again. We can drop column class. Okay, this is query done. You can we don't need class, but we need category. Okay, so we can want to look the structure table. We can there's a JPEG like this, so you can like that. Can this look ID, this is not null, type integer, name varchar, category varchar, and price varchar. Okay, so if you want insert, and after this you can insert, but it's just in the query is your very not to look. Okay, so you can create part like this and use a comment answer, but like that in the Mac, but in the but in the Windows you can use control write answer. Okay, so like this. It's just this is comment in the table data in MySQL. Okay, so this is drop table, drop column, this, and this is description. Okay, this is description of description in your database, like that. Okay, so we want to create insert. Okay, insert into Japan, so you can write that name, category, price, so like this, and you can insert into uh, insert into, and you can values what you want to values. You want to values like this one. Okay, you can just values what the values like that, and this just is you can create values, but you must follow in this in here. Okay, so you can I forget them. I can put in table. You can use ID, name, category, price like that, and this ID is one. Then after that, this name is sushi. Okay, I forget that. His further you can use the answer like this, and it's just tanda kutip in the meaning bahasa. Okay, and category is the further you can use tanda kutip in bahasa. Okay, category is sushi. No, sushi. This is fish. Category fish. Fish, and the price is voucher. Can $110. Okay, so like this, but okay, and after that is you can comment enter to return the values. Okay, this is done, but you want to look that. Okay, you can search them and just select all form item. Okay, so select all from Japan. Sorry, but we can refresh them. Okay, this is sushi, fish, and price $1. Okay, Japan or for a type. Okay, okay, sorry about that, and you can look that sushi one fish. But you want to create more values. Okay, so you can copy that, but before you can copy this to create them, but this is very tired. Yeah, this is very tired. You can use auto increment to more your values. So like this. You can modify column like this, alter table, Japan ID, modify column, ID, to not know, and this auto increment, so like this. Oh, version rectangle. Okay, so we open in the Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay, you must okay, yes, sorry about that. I forget them. This is not can to create them in the auto increment, but we can create again to auto increment like that. You can use command A, or you can click right, and after that you can rename what your name. Just put America. So I guess command S, and can close them. And you want to auto ID or auto increment, you can write that like this. So create table again, create table America. Okay, so ID is integer, auto increment. No. Okay, this name varchar 100. It's not null. This category varchar 100 not null. Okay, this is price okay, and after that you can use them. It's like this. Okay, so you can write them use primary key to work them to auto increment. Okay, primary key is like this. Primary key ID, so like this. And what your engine InnoDB, so like this, and you can put them. So you can that's what table again is America. Wait a minute. Comment here. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, this is price category. Okay, so you want that description. America. Okay, America. Sorry about that. Okay, this is your table. I type again. Okay, sorry about that. I can what table America modify table. Okay, we cannot change name in the table. Okay, so you can select them. So if you use auto increment, and you must not to uh, uh, you must not uh, not come in id in the insert. Okay, because this is auto increment, and you not must to put in your id. It says auto increment. What is the auto increment? It says auto increment is like that. It says auto put id in the like that in the table. So you can put name, category, price. Okay, so after that you can values. What values? So sushi, not sushi, what is barbecue? Not barbecue, this is like hot dog category, meal or meal, is just like that. Price $105. So like this one hand can go. Okay, so select all from America. Okay, so like this, hot dog meal, and the price is $5. Okay, can is done. And okay, so I wanted to class them, how to class them in these videos, but don't forget stay in my channel, and I will to create a new videos, and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.